Hey everybody, this is Mark. Today is just a real quick down and dirty comparison of the Mavic Air versus the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini's footage is on the left and the Mavic Air's footage is on the right. So as you can see, the Mavic Air's footage has a lot of color saturation in the footage, but honestly speaking, the Mavic Mini is a more natural type color straight out of the drone. But aesthetically, the Mavic Air footage looks better. Focus of both is pretty much the same, and detail from both is pretty much the same. These both are set at 1080p at 60 frames per second using an ND16 filter. So all of the settings on both were the same, including the shutter speed. But as you can see, the Mavic Air seems to give you a very eye-pleasing color saturation, whereas the Mavic Mini seems to be a more flat, but the actual color from the human eye, the Mavic Mini is actually more natural. I like the Mavic Air. I still think it shoots better footage, but they both shoot awesome footage. So this was just a comparison for everybody. Take a look at it. Anybody thinking about, should I buy the Mavic Mini? Should I buy the Mavic Air? Hopefully this footage will help you to make your choice. What I can tell you is the detail in both is good. Sometimes the Mavic Air detail seems to be better than the Mavic Mini, but then there's other times where the Mavic Mini footage seems to be better than the Air. They both fly well in the wind, and they both are very stable, very reliable drones. I could recommend either. The big difference is that the Mavic Mini comes in at about $500 for the combo, whereas the Mavic Air is still selling close to around $1,000 for the combo. So looking at these two videos, hopefully you can say, well, is the Mavic Air really worth $500 more? I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Okay? Take care. This is just to try to help you guys out. Keep them in the air, stay safe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.